What's going on, guys? Teen Mechanic here. Today I figured I'd just bring you a quick update because I haven't uploaded in quite some time. So I just figured I'd talk about a couple things here. Start a couple cars. Unfortunately, I'm not going to start the Cadillac. I don't feel like going through that whole ordeal with the battery being completely dead. Plus there's some crap on the hood. So I just figured I'm going to skip it. We can start the LTD. Maybe we'll see if that works. And the Crown Vic. But as for the update, I just wanted to let you guys know a couple things. Nothing like major is happening, just that I haven't uploaded in a while. Might be selling the Crown Vic, haven't decided on that yet. Got a couple things to work out. I'm allocating some different things. If you're wondering why I haven't uploaded in a while, I'm just trying to work some things out in the sidelines. Other than that, though, I haven't been as productive as I would like to be. I'm working on getting a really cool thing on the channel. I've been saying that for a while. It's in a state of disrepair at the moment, so I've got to take care of that before we can get that on. But once it's taken care of, believe me, it's going to be worth it. So stay tuned for that. But other than that, I can't think of anything else. As of right now, obviously this isn't going anywhere. This isn't going anywhere yet. I don't have plans to get rid of this in any way. The Crown Victoria, I might be selling that. I love those cars, but, you know, I can find those. I cannot find these. I cannot find these. So, you know, I might actually sell the Crown Vic, especially if I can make a little money off of that. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and try and give this a shot here. I think the battery's probably fine. The carburetor is what I'm worried about. So this thing needs a new carburetor, actually. It's leaking gas pretty bad. It's leaking gas out of the accelerator pump, and where else? It was leaking somewhere else, and I don't remember where. But anyway, yeah, so it needs a new carburetor. Right now, there's an Autoline C8150A, which is actually a Motorcraft. The only issue is, of course, being that it's an Autoline remanufactured, which it was actually done somewhere in Manitoba. There's no more Motorcraft tag on it, so you can see it says Motorcraft, but they put an Autoline tag on there, so I don't know what model Motorcraft it is. If you guys know what it is, the original one that was on here was actually this right here. Let me show it to you. If you guys look in this box here, it was one of these variable Venturi things that had the intake manifold vacuum. It would regulate these flaps here, or these doors, which kind of reminded me of the wave pools at West Edmonton Mall. But anyway, only a 2-barrel Motorcraft. I don't know what the model number is. I do know that it's just this stupid variable Venturi. Most people hate them, myself included. I've had nothing but trouble with them. Some people argue they're great, and I don't know. I haven't had enough experience with them. This one though, I don't know anything about. So if you guys want to let me know in the comments below what that is, please let me know. Here's another view of it, just in case you want to know. Looks like this. It's got the electric choke on it. It's got all that stuff going. I don't know. It was remanufactured by Autoline. Again, the number is Autoline C8150A. That's what it is. This battery should be okay. I don't know. By the way, guys, if you didn't, I don't know. I don't remember if I mentioned it in any other videos. This AC, I remember I said in the first video that it was blowing cold. It's not. It's not blowing cold. The compressor doesn't kick on. The clutch doesn't engage. If you put it on AC, it doesn't happen. Now, if you guys want to let me know, actually, unless there's a sticker, this would probably, no, that can't be it. That's a vacuum diagram. I don't actually see a sticker unless it's that right there. Yeah, this here is flammable refrigerant. That's a sticker right there. In June 22nd, 2003. System oil type. I don't know if that's a sticker that is saying that it was converted to R134A. I don't know, guys. Did they use R12 in this? Did they use R12? Let me know in the comment section below if they used R12, and if that sticker right there over top of that, not the evaporator, but the whatever's in there. I can't remember. Not the condenser. The little mini radiator thing. Anyway, not the heater core. It's for the air conditioning. Anyway, let me know if that sticker means that it was converted to R134A. I'm very curious. But anyway, guys, enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and spray some starting fluid in there. And I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get this thing to fire up. Alright guys, this is gonna suck to do one-handed. That stuff stinks so bad. It doesn't actually stink. It smells kind of like alcohol and gas, but then once you smell it and you get it into like your nasal cavity and in the back of your throat, it puts this just awful taste in your mouth. It's awful. But anyway, sprayed that in there. That should work. I'm actually going to put this, actually no I'm not. I'm going to let the fuel leak. Just before I go inside after it's nice and cool, I'm going to put a microfiber towel underneath the accelerator pump to catch all the gas when I go in and it's cool enough, but not while it's running. Alright guys, I put the cover back on just to be safe. We don't want any covers blowing off from backfires. Alright, I've got one shot at this, so let's try it. Alright guys, I really smell that crap in here. Let's give it a shot. Put that key in the ignition. Pump the gas a couple times, and damn, that means that is all gone, that stuff. Okay. Now I've got to kill the battery. Alright guys, I'm gonna spray a bunch of crap in there. I'm gonna do it off camera too because I don't really feel like messing with it. Okay, take whatever. There you have it. Almost lost it. And I did lose it. Let's try it again. Ah! God! Okay, take whatever. Here we go. There we go. She's going. Okay. I'm gonna let her warm up for a minute. Okay, my foot is completely out the gas now. Let's see if we can put it in reverse. Okay, here we go again. Yes, sir. It's going. It's actually running. Okay. Now let's back it up. There you have it. If it stalled here, that would really, really suck. So I'm just hoping it doesn't. Let's see. Alright, has it been leaking anything? Yes, it has. Great. Let's scoot that up a little. There you have it. That looks like a monster truck from here. Alright, I'm going to pull it back in. Hey, you know, this summer we might be driving this thing around. Who knows? That would be really, really super cool if we could drive this thing around in the summer. Alright, here we go. We got to kind of launch. There we have it. Holy moly. Alright guys, there we have it. Let's see if it fires back up. Ready? Yes, it does. Check it out. Okay. Let's do that again because I love that sound. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Okay. Oh! Well, I think that kind of concludes it. That was hard. Alright, well, it was fun though. Got lots of walking room between here. Alright, I'm gonna go start the Crown Vic now. I'm really tired today, so let's do that before I want to go to bed. Oh, geez, I don't know if it's gonna start. Alright, well, you know, I don't know if I have a lot of faith. Oh boy, it's running. Look at that. Already, yeah. This thing is... This is why I love Crown Vic so much. Oh yeah, this thing's awesome. Okay, well, I think that kind of concludes it. I'm going to shut this thing down. So... Alright, there's the Crown Vic. It's still doing well. I mean, that was pretty uneventful. Just figured I'd fire it up for you. You guys actually haven't seen it yet, but you know those videos on my channel about the green Crown Vic that I had, where I pulled the engine out. I actually, it was an LX, so it had these different corner lights with the 3 reflectors instead of the one big one that goes around here. And it also has cornering lights and turn signals rather than a turn signal, and just the rest is reflector. So, and I also put the wheels on it. Do you remember, if you go back onto those videos, you'll see the wheels that were on this thing, and those were these, with the near new tires. So I definitely didn't get rid of those. And I also put the turn signal lights on them. Quite frankly, I'm not a huge fan of how these turn signals look. Most people are probably going to disagree with me, but I was never a huge fan of the LX turn signals. I don't know, they don't look as good to me. They look dated, but the Crown Vic ones with the big orange reflectors, I like those. The reason I have them on here is because they have cornering lights, and I almost got in an accident once because I didn't have cornering lights. I was turning in a truck, actually, quite similar to that one, but it was older, and it was snowing too, so I mean, it was just terrible because I was getting glare and everything, and if I had had cornering lights, I wouldn't have slid on that turn. So it wasn't going fast or anything. It was a great spot to almost slide. I don't know if that makes any sense, but anyway, that's too much talking. Anyway, guys, I think I gotta get out of here. I'm really tired. I gotta do a couple things, but if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike, but let me know in the comment section below how I can improve, and let me know what you want to see. Let me know if I should sell this Crown Vic. Let me know if I shouldn't. Same thing with the LTD. Cadillac, don't let me know if I should sell the Cadillac. Honestly, I mean, if you wanna, sure, do it. But there's a very small chance of that, unless I got $50,000 for it. But anyway, I'm getting off track here. If you enjoyed the video, share it with someone who you think might also enjoy it, or find it useful. And other than that, I guess I'll see you in the next video. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.